Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and you will click. Then in this page here of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.